Finished in the most beautiful shade of blue, this 2019 Dodge Challenger RT is going to turn some heads no matter where you are. And just check out those black wheels too. So wide. Stepping inside, this RT is nicely equipped. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. It's got those nice sport buckets in there, finished in black cloth. You can see here just under 21,000 miles on this 2019 Challenger, meaning it's still under factory warranty, and of course you could always add extra warranty with us as well. It's got the nice 8.3-inch Uconnect screen there in the middle. Of course, we're rocking some Boost FM on this Challenger, and there's the nice backup camera, very clear on these 2019 Challengers. Looking down below, it does have the dual climate control with automatic mode as well, and sport mode, of course. And there's the reason you're here, the 6-speed manual transmission. You're gonna love banging gears in this thing. It does have a back seat, although I'm not sure you're gonna use it a whole lot because you're gonna be cruising in style. As we look into the trunk, this thing actually has a really usable trunk, very, very large. So come check it out today in Hillsboro, Missouri.